Hey everyone, today I'm going to be doing a review on the Colgate Max Fresh Wisp. These are basically little mini toothbrush type of things that you can use on the go. I usually have them in my purse just for emergencies, or if I ever feel like I just really have the need to brush my teeth or anything like that. Nice to have on you. They're really small, really travel friendly, things like that. They come in a few different flavors. I have it in peppermint. I think it comes in spearmint. It comes with 4 brushes. So 2 in the front, 2 in the back. And I think they're just super cute. It's a no water or rinsing necessary, single use, brush and go little toothbrush type of thing. It's sugar free. So yeah, let me go ahead and open one of these up. Open it up for you and kind of show you. So it comes in a plastic package like this that you open, and then I'm going to actually use one now, so not on the camera, but so I'll go ahead and take it out so that I can show you. It has a little foil thing here, so you can open it. That didn't open perfectly, but I like to rip it out so that way it doesn't leave it looking messy. And then you can close it back up, and it just snaps back up. I like that it's super easy and user friendly. I like that it has the little foil for protecting each one. It's not like you open it and they're all there. Now I've used to use these in the past. I've used them for a really long time, and they make them much sturdier now, which is really nice, especially the pointed part, which is used as a toothpick type of thing. I love using these if I'm going on a road trip or something. If I'm doing a cross-country road trip or I've driven from Florida to Ohio or New York to Florida and things like that. It's 16, 17, 18-hour drive. It's really nice to have these, especially if you're a type of person who doesn't like to stop very much and just likes to get to where you're going. These are really convenient because it leaves your mouth feeling nice and fresh. It has a bead right in there in between the bristles that kind of, is it clear? There you go. That kind of pops open. It kind of pops when you start brushing it. That acts kind of like a toothpaste type of thing, but you don't need to rinse. And that's what's most convenient about it, is that you don't need water and you don't need to rinse. It's like a mini toothbrush that has toothpaste in it that doesn't require water or rinsing, is basically what this is. And then you've got the little pointed part at the bottom, which acts like a toothpick or a little, maybe not so much floss, but it's very soft, so it's flexible, which is nice, as you can see. I'm not going to try and mess with it too much because I don't want to break it. But yeah, it says Colgate. It has a nice little grip. It's not too hard to grip it. It's pretty long, which they've started making them longer recently because they were not this long before. So I like that they've started making them a little bit longer because it's easier to get the back of your mouth and without sticking your whole hand in your mouth. It has this little groove here, which I'm not 100% sure, this little indent here, which I'm not 100% sure what that is actually for, but maybe it's an ergonomic thing, as I'm sure the whole curvature of this is for. The head of it, the brush part, does indent, just have a little bit of curvature here, which is really nice. It just makes it just forms a little bit better when you're inserting it into your mouth. Brushes. The brush is kind of like a plastic type of thing, but it's very, very soft. It's very flexible, maybe a silicone type of thing. I'm not sure what you would call it, but it's really nice. Go ahead and put that there. The package itself doesn't really have much information. It has your ingredients listed. Let's see, what else does it have listed? It has a phone number, colgatewisp.com, made in Switzerland. Interesting. And so yeah. So like I said, the product itself doesn't have much information on it, but the website online says get clean teeth and fresh breath on the go with the Colgate Max Fresh Wisp disposable mini toothbrush. This pocket-sized mini toothbrush delivers the freshness of gum and the clean of a toothbrush in one effortlessly portable device. It's built-in, sugar-free, easily dissolves, and delivers a rush of minty freshness, while the bristles gently remove food and other particles. A soft pick at the handle base of this disposable toothbrush removes food particles from any hard-to-reach areas. No water or rinsing necessary. So I guess according to the website, not only does it replace like a toothbrush, but also gum and things. So it's for a fresh breath, and just, I mean, it doesn't replace your toothbrush on like a daily basis, but it replaces it for like a moment, like a day. If you were taking a nap in the car and you woke up and the driver doesn't want to stop, you can use one of these. Fresh breath, feels like you kind of like you just brush your teeth. But yeah, it's really great, and I highly recommend it. It comes in also like bigger bags. Like if you're traveling and you have a larger family, you can get it in a bigger bag. I think it comes in like a pack of 24. I like to have just the little ones because it's just me, so I like to be able to throw it in my purse and just have it for whenever I may need it when I am not home. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video.